Let's discuss the benefits of retinol today. I'm sure most of y'all have already heard about retinol. It's an ingredient present in a lot of your favorite skincare products. And to mention, it's one of my favorite ingredients as well. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative and it does a couple of things. It increases the cell turnover. And what I mean by that is it helps our skin cells to replenish faster and newer skin cells replace the older dead skin cells. But naturally, it gives rise to more smoother appearance, brighter skin, and also reduces uneven skin tone. The longer you use retinol, it also increases the body's production of collagen and elastin. And these are molecules which keep our skin supple and firm, thereby delaying development of fine line and wrinkles. So yes, it's one of the most versatile products but naturally my favorite. Retinoids are a group of both natural as well as synthetic derivatives of vitamin A, and amongst this group, retinol is the most common and popular ingredient that you guys already know about. Depending on the strength of the retinoid, these are placed in a ladder. The mildest of retinoids are retinol esters, and these are popularly present in a lot of your over-the-counter cosmetic brands, mainly anti-aging creams or night creams. You can look for ingredients like retinol acetate and retinol palmitate. The second step of the ladder are more active compounds, and this is retinol. And retinol can be available in your skincare products ranging from 0.01% to up to 1% formula as well. The third step of the ladder is retinoic acid, also called as tretinoin. This is prescription strength and very popularly known as Retino-A or Retin-A brands, which you may be aware about. Retinoic acid is the most active. It directly works on the vitamin A receptors in the skin, which also makes it more irritating on the skin, and that's why it's prescription strength. There's also a special category of prescription strength retinoid available, which is adapalene, which has more anti-acne benefits. And the last special mention I would give to a retinoic peel or a 10% retinol peel, which is popularly called as yellow peel, available in your dermatology clinics. Can all skin types use retinol? Yes, while everyone can use retinol, you have to be very careful if your skin is very dry, irritated or sensitive. Also be careful if you're prone to eczema or you have a history of atopic dermatitis. So for these special cases, it's always best to start retinol under the supervision of your dermatologist who can guide you through the process. When should I start using retinol? Well, if you're using retinol for general anti-aging purposes and for correction of tone and texture, I recommend anyone above 25 years of age group to start retinol as a night product while using a good moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Having said that, retinol can also be used for young skin because it also has anti-acne benefits. How should I start using retinol into my current skincare routine? If you look at the videos that we did last week, we spoke about the retinol ladder and the different types of retinoids available. It's always best to start with a low concentration retinol cream and then gradually escalate up the ladder as your skin begins to tolerate. If you are starting with an over-the-counter product like a retinol serum, start with something which contains 0.1 to 0.2% retinol. Use it with a moisturizer at night and use a moisturizer and sunscreen in the day. After a couple of weeks of use, as your skin has started tolerating the product, you could escalate to a 0.5 to a 1% retinol gradually. It is also not necessary to use a retinol every day. On the days that you feel your skin is dry and irritated, skip your retinol product and use a nice repairing moisturizer on that night instead. Any special precautions when I'm using a retinol cream? Yes, a retinol is an exfoliating product. It increases the turnover of your skin cells, causing your dead skin cells to shed rapidly. In the beginning, when you start using a retinol product, don't combine it with any other product which does the same thing. That means don't use your AHA, BHA toners or any product containing glycolic acid or a salicylic acid as an active ingredient. Also, it is best to stay away from physical abrasion of your skin. That means no scrubbing and no using ultrasonic brushes to clean your face in the first few weeks of retinol usage. Why do some people react to retinol and others take retinol so well? Retinol is an active vitamin A compound and it's converted to retinoic acid in our skin. Depending on everyone's tolerance, different people may react differently. It's not unusual to have slight redness, sensitive skin, and scaling of the skin in the first few weeks of using retinol. As long as the reaction is mild and is manageable by using a moisturizer, it's always good to continue using retinol because your skin develops tolerance to these. What are some brands of retinols or retinoids that you would recommend? So there are a plethora of products which contain retinol or retinol-like compounds. Let's start with the mildest ones. These are the over-the-counter available creams. For example, Olay Total Effect 7 has a compound called retinol propionate, which is very gentle, very mild, and good for all skin types. However, if you've been using it for a while and you want a higher strength of retinol, over-the-counter product Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Then amongst prescription retinols, there are few brands like Retiglow Serum and EGA Cream, which contain around 0.15% of retinol. Another of my favorite brand is Sesderma, and the product is Retiage and Sesretinol. And amongst the higher strengths of retinol, there is a brand called Dermaceutic Active Retinol, which has 0.5% retinol and even a higher strength, which is 1% of active retinol. And the highest strength retinoids are retinoic acids or tretinoin, which are brands like Retino A or Revise Micro Gel. These are purely prescription strength and should strictly be used under a dermatologist's supervision only.